What's up everybody, it's the MinuteAdmin here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to set up your Salesforce Developer Edition org. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to developer.salesforce.com and we're going to click this green sign up button here in the top right corner of the screen. And when we click that green sign up button, we're going to be brought to this page here. So this is where we create our Developer Edition org. So we'll put our first name, last name, email address, role, our company, and for our role we can choose developer, architect, administrator, IT manager, executive, and business manager, executive. We'll choose the administrator. For the company name, you can put anything you want here. I put XYZ company. For country, United States. Postal code, you can put anything you want here as well. And for the username, you'll just put your name at your company name or anything you want in a username sort of layout. So I just put Kalen@xyz.com. And then we'll click this checkbox here and then we'll click sign me up. And then we're going to go to our email that our password reset was sent to. And we're going to click verify account for that email that just came through. So we're going to click verify account. And then we're going to put a new password, confirm that password, and then choose a security question and then answer that question and then change your password. And then you're going to be logged into your Developer Edition org. So let's do that. So I've put my new password in here, confirmed it, and answered my security question, and I'll click change password. And now I'm in my Developer Edition org, and that's how you create your Salesforce Developer Edition org. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future MinuteAdmin videos. Thanks.